see how Lord Ganesha is praised by comparing with 5 gems Pancharatnam. Those who recite this shloka will be bestowed with good health, knowledge and good children. Also helps in overcoming the obstacles in life. Mudakarada Modakam, Ragam, Ragamalika, Talam, Chaturashra Ekam. Dance choreographed by Guru Srimati Santoshi Vijay. This will be performed by Aradhya, Vindhya, Chaitna, Charvi, Devishri, Lasya, Nidhyavashini, Megha.
Mudakarata-modakam sadha-mutti-sadhakam kanadhanavatam vinasi-loka-rakshakam. Mudakarata-modakam sadha-mutti-sadhakam kanadhanavatam vinasi-loka-rakshakam. Anayakaikanayakam vinashite-bhadaityakam nadashu-dashu-nashakam namamitam vinayakam. Anayakaikanayakam vinashite-bhadaityakam nadashu-dashu-nashakam namamitam vinayakam. Namamitam vinayakam. Nadetarati-bhikaram navoditakamaaswaram namatsurari-nirjaram natadhikapabuddharam. Nadetarati-bhikaram navoditakamaaswaram namatsurari-nirjaram natadhikapabuddharam. Sureshwaram nidhishwaram ganeshwaram ganeshwaram maheshwaram tamashraye Mahatmaram nirantaram. Sureshwaram nidhishwaram ganeshwaram ganeshwaram maheshwaram tamashraye Mahatmaram nirantaram. Mahatmaram nirantaram. Pancharatnamahareణ nonmadam prajalpati prabhatake hृदि स्मरं गणेश्वरं. Ganesha Pancharatnamahareణ nonmadam prajalpati prabhatake hृदि स्मरं गणेश्वरं. मनोगतामदोषतां सुसाहितीं सुपुत्रतां समाहितायुरष्ट